Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Eruvin Perek Mishna. Hey, over here in this Mishna, we're going to discuss measuring and who you need to measure. So we're going to see, you need an expert surveyor. And you can only measure with a mumhe. Mumhe literally means professional, but over here, what kind of professional are we talking about? Right? We're not talking about a scientist. We're not even talking about a rabbi, right? We need a mumhe, an engineer, right? A surveyor, someone who knows how to measure, these areas. Let's say a person went ahead, he measured, extended further in one place and less in another place. So most people explain this Mishnah, so Rashi, but Tuna explains Mishnah, where if you had one side of the city and they measured in two different spots going up, and one ended a little further up than the other. Right? So we say, we take the place where you went further, right? Where Mekel, we extend the Eruv Tehumin further. That's not how Rambam explains it. Rambam says that we're talking about in a case over here where if you had a standard, you had a custom. Oh, this is where the Chum Shabbat ends, right? This is the end of the 2000 Amah. Then you hired someone to go measure it. The same way you would listen to this hired surveyor. If he told you it was a little shorter, so too you need to listen to him if he says it extended further, right? And he's Mekel, and he says, no, you guys had it wrong. You only, this is only 1900 amot. This goes, you can carry an extra 100 amot. 2000 really ends over here, further up. Then Shom'im l'makom shliba, we listen to the place where he extended further. Let's say Shom'im l'madbe, right? If one person measured, and he reached one place. Another person measured, he got to a different area, which is a little shorter. Shom'im lam rabbeh, right? We listen to the person who extended further, right? Again, right? Because we rely, right? We rely on the mekel, subchim al ha-mekel, right? That's an important principle for this Mishnah. And afilu eved, afilu shivha, even a slave, eved knani, shivha, ne'emanim lomar, ad kan Tchum Shabbat. They're trusted to say, I know this is where Tchum Shabbat comes up to. And we trust them. Shelo amlu chamim, davar el akel. Chamim, when they're speaking about Tchum Shabbat, right? The 2000 Amah is midrabanan. Chamim spoke about it. They spoke about it to be mekel. And we see this Mishnah really stresses that. Right? And we keep on listening. We will go to the place where they were madbeh, right? We go to the person who extended it further, or we even listen to this eved or maidservant that we trust them to say here, up until here was the Tchum Shabbat.